Hi, Richard. We have a question from a user, Lucy, on YouTube, and she would like to know what you think about sending scalar energy to a photograph.
The scalar energy is where, now, those who are really into it, please don't be offended. This is just how I see it. I don't know what's really true, but this is how I experience it. It's sort of how people who are not into the metaphysics of consciousness want to say life force energy, and then they can project it mechanically. But I've never seen a mechanistic thing that can send love. And we're working with the energy of the prana, the chi, the life force energy that flows through us all the time. We're able to direct it with intention and love. We can demonstrate it in seconds by instantly aligning someone's hips and cranial bones. And it may be that the scalar energy does miracles. I haven't experienced it, but I plead ignorance. But my limited experiences have not impressed me. And that's all I'll say about that.
Okay, great. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. And thank you also to Lucy for submitting that question.